Hello and welcome to MFCP Woodworking. My name is John. I'm the host of the show, and I haven't posted a video in a very long time. I've been a little burned out, plus I've had big projects on my mind. One of our biggest challenges here is shop space, and that's what we're going to talk about today, because my shop space was so bad. If you looked at my previous videos, I'm working in what looks like a broom closet, and that's about all I had. Okay, we've torn that down, and in its place is this, a greenhouse, which sounds not like the right building, but understand this, I needed to build something cheap because I'm not exactly loaded. We built this 24-foot by 12-foot greenhouse on the side of our existing camp for 200 bucks Canadian. That's impressive. If it was American, that's no big deal, but Canadian money isn't worth very much. We built it from, take a look, you can see these are log poles. If you look at Amy 2's channel, you might see us collecting some of those. We collected enough of them to build the frame for this, so we did not buy wood to build this. We used scrap wood and wood that we got out of the bush. The biggest expense was the greenhouse plastic that we put on it. And let's go have a look inside and see the mess. As you can see, we kept costs down by skimping on a lot of things. The door is a weighted flap, so are the vents on top. It's fall right now, although in here it feels like summer. In the winter, those are going to stay closed all the time. In fact, I don't think we're going to open it before late in the spring. During the summer though, the heat in here will get unbelievable, even though this is on the shady side of the building. As you can see, 24 by 12 is a whole lot more space than the 8 by 8 stuff that we had before. This place is littered with junk right now. We got to rearrange the furniture and get this junk out of here, and probably within a week I'm going to be ready to actually do some valid work in here. There'll also be some space for some new machinery, things that I've been wanting to get. Space for wood to dry. We hope to put a bit of a rack in the back there for wood to dry, because I've got a lot. I was gifted a whole pile of cherry wood that somebody cut out of their backyard, and they didn't have anything for it. They were willing to give it to me for firewood. Well, we took it as logs, and some of it is that big around, and that's a big piece of cherry for out here, because most of it's about that big around if we're lucky. So yeah, I can make some good stuff out of that. I'm really looking forward to it. Basically, we're going to set up the lathe and the table saw in the middle of the building here, and we'll clean up the rest of this, get the grass out of here, flatten the ground out. We've got some ponds to dig by the chalet. If you looked at my other channel, My Family Country Life, we're building a chalet. We're going to make some reflecting ponds in front of it. And those will, the dirt that's extra from that will help flatten this out and build some other projects we got in mind. We've been very busy, and hopefully you'll be able to see us very busy on the videos. I'm looking forward to it. I did start a series of reviewing different kinds of wood. I've got material for a whole video done. The introduction is just a matter of not talking like this, a little more formal. I just wanted to do something today without editing or anything, so we can just get it out there and let my viewers that are still hanging on know that we're doing something and that we're going to show some good stuff real soon. Lots of good wood turning ahead. Once I've got this cleaned up, I'll be able to work in here anytime I want. The weather won't matter. The 8 by 8 we had leaked like a sieve. It's kind of hard to turn something when you've got cold water dripping down the back of your neck. That wasn't a whole lot of fun. Anyway, If you're excited about this like I'm excited about this, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and we're going to be hitting you with some videos in the not so distant future, and we'll also make a lot of it available for sale online on my Etsy shop, which exists and is ready to go. It just doesn't have anything in it right now. So until next time, keep all your fingers, work hard, play hard, and have fun.